We are living in our grass thatch houses. We are comfortable with those houses. All we want is food. And as a youth, I'm telling you, shame on you. I am not aware of your impact. And I'm telling you, you should be ashamed. You are lying either for yourself or for your government. As the people of Kenya, as a youth, I am telling you, whatever you promised us in your agenda, keep your agenda and stop shakaholaing us. We are not interested in your house. It will not even come even if you give you 100% levy. We know the truth that you don't keep your promises and you're not going to twist us in this. Stop lying to Kenyans and face reality. Kenyans wamechoka. They are not interested in this house levy. They're asking for one request. Please give us food. Don't give us houses that do not exist. After all, as a Muslim, there is a golden house waiting for me in heaven. I don't need one from Kenya Kwanza. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Wakili Mureu. Wakili Mureu. Rendikiri.
Please. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I am not going to dwell on shouting and populism. I will go to the facts.